Welcome to the Zero G Foundation AI Alignment Node Sale. In this tutorial, you will learn how to purchase an AI alignment node. First, connect your wallet to the site. The sale is structured in two phases. The whitelist or private sale is open to a pre-approved list of participants who are given exclusive access to certain privileges during the sale. This system is used to reward and incentivize key contributors, partners, or early supporters of the project. The public sale is open to all. Anyone, subject to geographic and regulatory restrictions, can purchase a node. Please see our disclaimer for more information on eligibility. Both sales will be conducted on the Arbitrum network. The public sale will require wrapped ETH, and the whitelist private sale will use USDC. In this tutorial, I will walk through how to purchase nodes via the whitelist private sale. This sale requires USDC. If you don't have any, you can bridge any tokens from any chain to USDC on Arbitrum. In this case, I will be swapping wrapped ETH on Arbitrum to USDC on Arbitrum. Now that you have USDC, you are able to purchase a node. Select the quantity and input a referral code if you have one. Each wallet will be able to purchase a select number of nodes per tier. See the docs for more information. Next, confirm the token spend approval contract to enable your purchase. Now you can successfully proceed to the final step, purchasing a node. Make sure to review the disclaimer before purchasing. Congratulations, you have just purchased a Zero G AI alignment node. You can share your wallet address as a referral code with friends and family. If they purchase nodes using your referral code, you'll receive a referral reward and can claim this on the referral rewards page. Finally, head over to the statistics page to view a Dune dashboard that lists out all of the key statistics on the node sale. If you have any further questions, please review the node sale FAQ on docs.zerog.ai or reach out to us on Telegram or Discord. Thank you, and let's build the future of AI together.